Say what I want, my Jamaican. Send for your location. And sometimes I wonder why I fool with you. Just a bill and a cool with you.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I just took some braids out of my hair and this is what she's looking like. I had crochet faux locks. I did them myself because I'm a boss, but I took them out and this is what my hair is looking like right now. It looks nasty and gross and it's tangled. Ooh. About right inches down. Inches. Okay. So, for this video, I'm going to be doing a wash day / product review, but I'm only reviewing samples because I'm not about to go out and buy whole things of shampoo and conditioner. So I will be reviewing / wash daying the Detangling and Conditioning Shampoo and Conditioner by Cream of Nature, their Essential 7 Treatment Oil, a leave-in, a curling cream, and a hair milk, which I will definitely be trying because if anything, I love me some leave-in conditioner and some curling cream because my wash and goes be on fire. They are fire. I have fire wash and goes, okay? So I'm gonna go wash my hair. You'll see what my hair looks like when it's all washed and clean and not dirty and nasty, and to be honest, my hair looks pretty right now. But I have to go and ruin the style, so see y'all later. I'm back and I'm out the shower now. I had to clip my hair back so I could finish getting my face together. So wash my hair and my face. So first I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair. I bought this like maybe a couple days ago because I have a dry scalp and I like the way this smells. And when I do like grease or oil my scalp, I don't like to part it. I just go ahead and put some on my fingers and do like that. And get that on my roots and just rub the excess through my hair. The oil that these little sample bags came with, it makes me itch because it's just like, it's mostly coconut oil and I'm allergic to coconut oil. First thing I'm gonna put in is this Curl Repair leave-in, and then I'm gonna follow in with the hydrating curling cream. So I filmed like the first part of this video before I washed my hair a couple days ago, and I tried the leave-in conditioner and the curling cream already to, you know, see how I like it. But let me tell you, I'm about to start using Cream of Nature because I normally use Cantu and I don't have a problem with it. Honestly, I love it. My hair loves it. But I think my hair likes the Cream of Nature better because, well, I think I like the Cream of Nature better because it doesn't leave my hair like crunchy or like oversaturated and weighted down. And normally I like the oversaturated, super curly, like defined curl feel because when my hair like 2, 4, 3 days later, it's huge. I'm gonna just go ahead and put the whole thing in my hands and just put that in my hair like I normally do. I don't section my hair because, to be completely honest, I'm one of the most laziest naturals ever. But this has worked for my hair since I decided not to flat iron it as much, because I used to flat iron my hair all the time, and I'm telling you, I looked like a hot mess. Like, my natural hair was the hottest mess that I've ever seen in my life. So I decided to stop, and this is how my hair ended up. And then I'm gonna just go and use this hydrating curling cream, which I also got in this sample, but I'm gonna just use these just to get them out of my bathroom. That, got it. So just squeezed it all out. Now it's all in my hands. I got to sneeze too. Oh my god. I probably could have split this into like 2 applications. Oh, it's on my face. No, because we just had to be extra AF with my hair, like I always am. And yes, I like to do this because my curls will never be defined. No matter how much I be trying to define them and watching videos and trying to figure out how to define it, it just doesn't do it. I don't like super defined curls anyway. So yeah, so we got that going on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this argan oil. Can someone tell me like where exactly argan oil comes from? Like, what is an argan? Is it a fruit? Is it a vegetable? Is it a nut? You know what, that brings me to another topic. Where does carrot oil come from? I have never seen carrot. Like, I've never seen oil come out of a carrot. You could squish them, squeeze them, cut them. No, eat them. Not once in my life have I had an oily carrot. So where does carrot oil come from? Somebody please tell me. Okay, so this is what it's gonna be at for my hair for right now. So I will be back when my hair is dry. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a little bit of makeup. Okay, so this is my hair after everything is dried, and I love it. I don't know if I said this before, but I like how it like moisturizes my hair, and it makes it like really soft, and it's not dry, but it's not hard and crunchy, and it doesn't feel oversaturated like all that product I put in my hair earlier, and it doesn't feel like gross and crunchy. It's so soft. I think I will definitely, this is gonna be my new go-to. I'm about to start buying Cream of Nature now. Like, Cantu, it was real. It was so real. But you know, when you find something that works, and it works good, and it works well, like, you know, you stick with it. Just like when you find a stylist, you know, you stick with her. But there's plenty of other good stylists, but your stylist knows you. That's how your products are. Like, when you find a product that works great for your hair and your hair loves it, you stick with it. And that's what I did. So I'm gonna I think I'm gonna start venturing out and seeing what I can do with my hair and what else I'll like. But I definitely love the Cream of Nature. So yeah, okay. Okay, so you know, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow my blog. Yeah, that's it.